What is going on, guys? My name is Ben. How are you guys doing today? What I have for you today in this video is an unboxing of a video card right here for one of the PCs I'm working on, the eMachine T2895 and the HP A250N. Not sure which one I'm going to be throwing this into. This is more than likely, well, actually, this is actually going to be thrown into one of the PCs that I confirm that I want to be an entertainment computer, while the other one is for me to fool around with. And, do whatever I can with that thing, and then play around with it, get to know the settings a little bit more. And the reason why I'm getting this is because this way, hopefully, it'll support the Windows 7 Aerospace feature when I upgrade one of those PCs to Windows 7. And plus, I want this, if this is going to be for the entertainment PC that I want it to be, I want this connected to a TV, and we got an old TV, so most of the time this will be connected through S-Video. So this should have an S-Video port, a VGA port, and a DVI port. 512 megabytes GDD R2, 64-bit. As you can see, this is the this is actually called the Axle3D Nvidia Geforce 6200, 512 megabyte, whatever. Alright, so here's what the box looks like, and here's the side of it, and here's the back of it. Ooh, something's wrong in there. I hope nothing's broken. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use a pair of scissors and just cut this thing open. I hear something moving in there, which is concerning me already. Oh wow, it didn't even cut. I figure I'm better at these unboxing videos already. Alright, that should work. Yeah, so I don't know if there was supposed to be any moving parts in there. Hopefully nothing's broken in there. If there is something broken in there, that'll make me very pissed. So it looks like the box just opens up right here. Or okay. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's just these little brackets right here. If you got like a smaller case or something to throw those in there. So now, how much did this cost me? It cost me around, I think it was around 51 bucks, but I had like a $35 Amazon gift card in my account, so this just brought me down to 16 bucks. Alright, so here's a driver CD. Okay, definitely gonna need that. And here's a little pamphlet. Let's see what this is. It's taped on here. Ah, I see those. So this gives you instructions on how to put it in there, and then it gives you like the installation guide right there. And what's this? Due to higher dissipation. This looks like warnings and stuff. Like, it gives you suggestions such as keep slot next to the fan empty to ensure free airflow to the fan. Okay, and here is the video card itself, wrapped up in the electrostatic bag. Okay, now because of that, my PCs are Windows XP well, when they were first bought, they had Windows XP on there. I'm assuming this must be an old connection. Nobody uses these unless if they're still using an older PC. Alright, so I'm gonna carefully take this video card out. Oh. Alright, and here is the video card. So this is the fan right here, and it's connected. And we do indeed have the VGA, S-Video, and DVI port. Here's the back of it. So my PC, it'll be dropping down like this. And let's compare it to one of the video cards that I have currently. So I'll set this right here. And as you can see, I believe this one's also an Nvidia Geforce. There's actually a label back here. It just says Geforce 6200, 256 megabyte DDR. Alright, and hopefully these are big enough. Yeah, they're big enough, so yeah, this card is smaller, whereas this one is bigger, but the one I have in the HP that came with it is actually smaller than this, but I believe this is even smaller. I don't know, I'll have to check on that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. I'll have a video shortly of when I actually installed this on the PC. And let's say if I put it in one PC and then I decided to exchange it and put it into a different PC, the process is pretty much the same. And this is a AGP 8X socket, so that's the slot. That's the type of slot this will be plugged into. As you can see, they're both the same. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.